Egypt has signed an agreement with China to purchase J-10C fighter jets. This acquisition aims to replace Egypt's aging fleet of F-16 Fighting Falcons, marking a strategic shift in the country's defense procurement. The decision to acquire the J-10C, also known as the Vigorous Dragon, comes amidst speculation that Egypt is seeking alternatives to U.S. proposals for upgrading its F-16s to the F-16V variant. The J-10C offers superior combat capabilities at a comparable cost, making it an attractive option for Egypt. The deal, reportedly signed on August 19, 2024, makes Egypt the second international customer for the J-10C, following Pakistan. Egypt's move to acquire the J-10C follows growing speculation that the country is looking for ways to modernize its air force as it phases out older F-16 aircraft. The J-10C is a multirole fighter jet equipped with advanced air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry, with particular strengths in air superiority missions. The acquisition of the J-10C comes after Egypt declined offers from both the United States and Russia to upgrade or replace its fleet. Egypt has been seeking more independent options for its defense supplies, increasingly turning to countries like China, which impose fewer political conditions and restrictions. This trend has driven Egypt's recent shift toward the Chinese J-10. Recently, Egyptian Air Force Commander Lieutenant General Mahmoud Fouad Abdel Gawad and his Chinese counterpart, General Chang Dingqiu, met in Beijing to discuss the possible transfer of J-10C and J-31 fighter jets as soon as possible. The Egyptian army has increased its military investments with China in recent years in response to the close military ties between Israel and the U.S. The price per unit of the J-10C is estimated at around $40.50 million, compared to the F-16's cost of approximately $65.70 million for the latest variants. This cost advantage, coupled with the J-10C's advanced capabilities, makes it a compelling choice for Egypt. The Chinese J-10C, as a fourth-generation multirole combat aircraft, boasts advanced weaponry that enables it to stand toe-to-toe with the latest Western fighter jets. Equipped with the PL-10 missile, a short-range air-to-air missile developed by China, the J-10C enhances Egypt's air combat capabilities significantly. The PL-10 missile, developed by the People's Republic of China, is a short-range air-to-air missile, also called the Thunderbolt 10. It features an advanced infrared targeting system. This system allows it to identify targets based on their shape, providing the flexibility to engage from all angles. With impressive resistance to jamming and electronic countermeasures, the PL-10 stands out in combat scenarios. Its high maneuverability comes from a thrust-vectoring rocket engine and rotary wings, enabling it to achieve high angles of attack and withstand spins over 60 G. Boasting a range of around 20 kilometers, the PL-10 excels in close-range engagements. This range ensures it can quickly and accurately strike its targets, making it highly effective in dynamic combat situations. Egypt's acquisition of the J-10C fighter jets from China represents a strategic shift in its defense procurement, driven by the need to modernize its air force and overcome political hurdles associated with U.S. military aid. This move not only enhances Egypt's air combat capabilities, but also signals a growing trend of diversifying defense suppliers to achieve greater independence in military procurement. Recently, China showcased its J-10C aircraft at the Egyptian International Air Show, marking the first time these fighters have performed in Africa.